multiplying decimals. Now we've learned how to multiply whole numbers and decimals. We've learned how to multiply decimals with area models. We know we can't always do that. So we're going to learn the algorithm for multiplying decimals, and you can use your note for this. First thing you want to do is a quick and dirty estimate. I want to take one word about estimates with decimals because sometimes they don't make any sense. What? For example, let's say you have this. Let's estimate. So 3/10. How would you round 3/10? Well, I would say 3/10 is closer to 0 than it is to 1. So that would be 0 times 4/100. Well, that 0 times 0? Well, what? So when you are dealing with teeny tiny decimals, it's pretty hard to do an estimate. Just if you are finding that, don't think you're crazy. It's true. But when we have a question such as this, we can absolutely do an estimate by rounding to the nearest whole number, same as we did before. So $1.47, back to money all the time, is closer to $1 than it is to 2. So my estimate would be 1 times $8.30 will be closer to $8. So my estimate is 8. So when I do multiply all this out, it should be 8. Now the good news is this, you already know how to do this because it's the same procedure, multiplying 2 decimals, as it is for multiplying a decimal times a whole number. What? Yeah, it is. It's just the same. So use your note. Step 1, stack them, but ignore the decimal. Do not stack them like you're adding and subtracting. You will screw it up, so don't do it. Stack your number that has your most digits on top. So in this case, it would be 1.47. And then stack your next number on the bottom. So it will look like that. Don't forget to put your decimals in, but just feel free now to ignore them. Now we just multiply according to the standard algorithm of multiplication. So 3 times 7 is 21, carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 13, 14, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Place holder. 8 times 7, 8 times 7, 49, 56. Oh, it's hard to hold them in my hand and hold this thing up, so I just got to remember 5. 8 times 4, 32, plus 5. Carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11. We add them up. These are our partial products, but we want our whole product. Carry the 1. Now it's time to place our decimal. 2 methods, right? Use your estimate or count your place values. And to do that, I need my red pen. Sorry. All right, so I now count my place values. So I have 1, 2, 3. So starting at the right-hand side, count in 3 place values. 1, 2, 3. Smile method. So there we go. Now, look at your estimate. My estimate was 8. How come I got 12 and 201 thousandths? Well, if we look at it, we rounded both of our factors down, which is going to make our product less. So our product of our estimate is indeed less, but it's still in the ballpark. I mean, my answer isn't 122 and 100th. That's totally not in the same ballpark. But 12 and 8, considering that we rounded our both of our factors down, that's correct. And that's it. That's how you multiply decimals. Use the knowledge that you have of multiplication and add the smile method of placing your decimal. You can also place your decimal according to your estimate. If you have questions about that, feel free to email me. You're a